welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, before we start my video, I want to give you an overlook of my OOTD and my makeup because I had a little jewel moment today. So I did my jewels. I did a really kind of like smoky kind of vibe, but cut crease with some jewels on it. I need to give me some little ones so it can like look more better, but looking better. But I only had these little jewels. They're like the same size, but they kind of give me a good vibe. And my makeup came out super good today. And I'm wearing my heart Pandora necklace with some hoops. I don't know, my grandma gave me these actually, but I don't know where she got them. But yeah, and then right here I'm wearing my shirt, a little crop white shirt. The thing I hate about this, I need to get a better bra because my bra does not fit. So if you see a little something, don't mind your girl, she'll get a better bra. But the pants I'm wearing right now are from Walmart, my joggers. These are my navy blue, and I'm wearing my Air Forces. So this is a vibe today. Yeah, is my Valentine's room tour. Just very minimal because I didn't want so much stuff for Valentine's, but like I want to show you how I decorated it, and it looks super cute. It's not too much, but you know, you can tell it's the holiday coming up. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to me. Don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. Start where we walk into our room. Okay, so first when we walk in, I have this. It's still my normal, but I added a little bit of spice, so maybe more. So I have this candle I got from Ross. It's this pink candle that smells like cherry blossoms. It smells very amazing. It's not overpowering, but it's great. And then right here I have a little ladybug that my mom always gives me for Valentine's. She always puts like little chocolates in there. So I have that kind of holding my little Bath & Body Works bear that has a little heart on it, and I thought it was super cute for Valentine's. So that's what it looks like. And then right here I have some Valentine garland lights, and I thought these were so beautiful, so I put them right there for the vibe of Valentine's. And I believe I got these from probably Walmart or Dollar General, I believe. I don't remember because I got these like a while back, but they're still going, booze. And then right here I just turned on the light for a vibe. I did make this little greenery thing, and it's still going pretty well and it looks super cute. It's a vibe, it gives light. So right here I just put my little photos. I have another little photo, and I have a little dog. So right here it's just a small little vibe of Valentine's. And then we go right here. Hey, look guys, I changed my bedding, of course, yes. So this is the blue comforter I got. I got this from Bath & Beyond. I was about to say Bath & Body Works. Oh my god. So I did get this from Bath & Beyond. And I added this little owl pillow that's from Target. I got this a while back. And I like it because it adds a little spice to my bed. I don't want it too much or like overpowering of like pillows and stuff. So I added this little owl that has a little heart for Valentine's. And it matches my bed perfectly. So that's why I love it there. And next, let's go right here on my chair. I don't know if y'all remember, I used to have this on my bed, but now I put it over my chair. Aesthetic vibe. And then I added this little sequins rose gold pillow I got from Target in the dollar spot a while back. Yeah, you could probably make on your own, but it's just a little vibe it gives on my chair. And then lastly, right here, I just added a little vibe. So right here, my boyfriend got me this last year for Valentine's. This little pink bear. And then right here, this is really old, but that's what it looks like. It's my little water globe. It's losing some water, but you know, it's super cute though. And then right here, we got the little vase thing. I'm gonna say Walmart, and I added some almond kisses. So whoever wants to come to my room and just want a little piece of chocolate, but I mean, I still eat them. So yeah, I added just some chocolate to here, nothing too much. And then I have my little diffuser in the back, so it's super cute. And then just another little vibe that I always have in my room is my little rose, my orange rose. So that's perfectly fine right there. And then right now I have my red lights, so y'all can see the vibe of my red light as right now. So I hope you guys like the overview my room. So that's what it looks like. Minimal. I didn't want it like too much overpowering my room of like Valentine, because like right after that we St. Patrick's. So I just wanted just a little, I went with like a pink, baby pink theme, as you can tell, because I have nothing but pink in my room. yeah, I really like my room. It's a vibe, you know. I don't know. I like it. To me, it's a vibe. My hair is so greasy, and this is what, second day hair. I always go through my hair like this. I really like how my room came out. I'm kind of glad that I got rid of my jewelry box holder. I don't know if you remember when you see in my videos or not, but like, I always had that jewelry box holder, and I put it more jewelry in my Alex drawer. So look out for that video. I had to buy some good organizers. So if you know how I can organize my jewelry, because I want it to fit in my container in my drawer. I want it to fit, not like just like a little cute box and have like leftover spaces. I don't want that, because I want it to cover all my jewelry. I want all these drawers. I already have it like laid out how I want it. Just I need to get those organizers. So I don't know if to go with the gray theme, a linen whitish theme, or just buy clear ones. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments how I should organize my jewelry in my Alex drawer. So help your girl out, because I want to make it very aesthetically pleasing in this. When I pull out my jewelry, she's got good jewelry. Molly Ray wants to come in. Come here, Molly Ray. She like opens my door, and then she looks, and then she walks away. Like, you in or out, boo boo? Yeah, see, she like, someone close my door, because I don't want you hearing out loud. Yeah, so I have to close my door because, you know, she just wants to be opening up my door. So I want to say thank you, boos, for 1.22k. Let's turn it up real quick. Thank you, boos, for 1.22k. Hey, let's get it. Hey, 1.22k. Oh god, I'm so happy, because like we're growing, guys. And ooh, if y'all would like to see a video of my 2021 dream, my goals for this year, let a comment down below. I probably would do it, but I don't know when to do it, so I'll ask y'all. I ask questions on my Instagram, so if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram. It's right here, because I'm always on my stories. I'm always like kind of posting random things, or if I ask questions like what kind of videos I should do today, I'm always on my Instagram story. So don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. So yeah, oh look at my guys. And today, guys, we're gonna be working out, so let's see how I'm gonna do. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please don't forget to tell. I'm dying right now. But don't. But oh my god. So please don't forget to turn on your notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. Hey, let's turn up real quick. Let's turn up. Who will remember this song? Oh my god, this was popular like when I was like 12, I think. We had a lot of vibe going on, but yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to watch my other recent video if you haven't already, because I talk about Teamy. I collaborated with Teamy in my recent video. So if you haven't already, go check that out so you can be notified like what I was talking about, what products I had, what used. And I have a discount code in that video, and I'll link it down here below too. Hope you have guys an amazing day, and your girl's gonna work out later on. Your girl's gonna die. Brianna. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hey, Luz. So I want to come on here and say I did a little booty workout. I used my booty bands. I used my booty bands, and I'm really dead. I'm gonna take a shower already. It was just a little mini workout because my mom and I are gonna start working out tomorrow. Hardcore, so I did a little workout. So I want to come on here and say that I'm already dying. The workout was really good, and these are the booty bands I use. I want to find better ones because I don't really like these. I had these for a while, and they're the Tone It Up booty bands. This one's like strengthen, and then these are fine toning. But the thing is, they kept like coming down, so I'm gonna have to find me some better ones on Amazon. But some of the ones y'all use, I can like twin with y'all. But yeah, I use these, and I'm dying. But I'm gonna take a shower now, and I'll see you guys next time.